Please, can we forget about the 21-day myth? We've all actually heard it 1,000 times. But if you are ready to rewire your brain and rewire your body, it's going to take 42 consecutive days. And here's the science behind it. For a neuro shift, 21 days is a great place to start. But 42 days, that's the sweet spot. Why? It takes 42 consecutive days for a neural pathway to become solidified. And here's the biological rhythm from your skin cellular turnover to the medical gold standard for recovery. It takes 42 days for you to reset and regenerate your body at a cellular level. And here's the secret. Most people give up after 21 days. But if you can push through that struggle and you can commit to this process for 42 consecutive days, you're going to come out the other side committed and dedicated to do the things that you need to do and make the changes that you need to do so you can become the person you've always wanted to be. Hey, this isn't some massive overhaul that we do overnight. It's one day at a time for the next 42 days. So you can become the person you've always wanted to be, and so you can make those changes in your life that you want to make. So what's the biggest reason you want to rewire your life? Please leave that in the comments below. And if you're ready to start this journey on rewiring your brain and rewiring your life and becoming the person you've always wanted to be, hit that subscribe button and let's start that journey today.